Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jeff, and I'm doing my day trading recap. Today's Monday, 11/18. So I made three trades. I traded YNDX and AMRN. So let me show you what I saw here on YNDX. So I traded YNDX for an opening range break up for a 5-minute orb. As you can see, this is pre-market high. Oh, that's way too big. You see this pre-market high. We also had a level here that I had found on the daily here that it was respecting. So right at the open here, it was super strong. I mean, look at this, good volume here. And so I played this for an orb. So you got the first 5 minutes, and this actually gave the most perfect entry. It pulled back right real close to VWAP and right around this support level here. So it pulled back, really like that pullback there. At the time, this thing was cracking this 1 minute high here, and right when it pulled back, I really like that. I set my stop right here. I got long, and this instantly gave me a nice risk to reward here. So it popped. I took partials fairly aggressively. It had a really hard time breaking this 39 level. So right when it got over that, I took majority of my shares off there, hoping that it wouldn't get pretty close to my break even here. But on the bid, I started seeing some large bids on um, on the size here. They were stacking. I didn't really like that, so I when in doubt, I just got all out. So I got all out, and yeah, this thing ended up consolidating right there. So right when it wasn't breaking this level here and also holding the 9, I got long again. So I got back in. I had my stop right here, this low of this candle here, right when it made a new 1 minute high. I got long. It popped, took partials, and then I got all out right around break even. So um, this was more of a scalp play. I was hoping that this can get over 39 and hold 39. It was, trading fairly erratic. I probably should have gave it, in hindsight, probably gave it a little bit more stop so I could have capitalized on the bigger move. But yeah, hindsight is always so clear, but this ended up being an actual really good uh, trade for people who are trying to catch a nice little trend. So no idea why that keeps doing that, but yeah. So look at that beautiful move. But yeah, had two good trades on there. Pretty much just scalping. Um, Let me see here. I also traded AMRN. So let's get to AMRN. And this one was actually really nice. This thing was down, but again, I was extremely long bias on this stock. So I was watching this stock, and yeah, so this had this level here, a pivot point of around, let me see here, 23.91. But what I noticed actually on the weekly chart, um, pull up that weekly for you guys. So on the weekly, you can see that this thing was consolidating for 14 months, right? So look at this. It's been in consolidation. So just basically trading in this range, right? And then it broke out. I want you to notice this breakout. Very important. Look at this volume. This is on a weekly level. This is institutions getting into the stock. So from the get-go, I'm already long bias on this stock. Sure, there's going to be pullback. Stocks move up and down, not up or down. So I was watching this for a potential break of $24. But what I liked here is it did pull back. I started seeing this bullish bar right here. Volume started to come in and it reclaimed VWAP, which I really love. And also notice on the 1 minute ABCD pattern. Beautiful ABCD. So I got long right when it reclaimed VWAP. So I got long. I had my stop right below this candle here. And this thing popped. It did test 24. Unfortunately, it didn't break it today. So yeah, so ABCD pattern popped. I took partials on the way up. Got to 24. I took more off above 24. Right when it started to consolidate, I took more off here, and then I set my hard stop now at break even. So it was moving sideways for a little bit. I was hoping for it to form a potential another ABCD pattern. As you can see on the 5, you can see there's a ABCD pattern that was forming at the time. Was hoping, and potentially D to this next level here. It didn't get there, but that's okay. So it was moving here. I was hoping for it to crack, and that's why I had set the rest of my shares, my hard stop at break even, and I got stopped out. So yeah, I had three winners on there on the day. Pretty good trading. I'm really glad how I managed my risk. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, feel free to leave it at the bottom, and I will get to you as soon as I can. Happy trading, everyone.